Riri wiyandikithia wa ikia kura urathie na mbere bururi-ini. Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC yugite ni kuhingura mweke mwandanduku wa wiyandikithia wa kura mweri ukite. Commissioner wa ndari Nderitu akiuga ginyagia na riu Akenya aria meyandikithitie ni milioni 22.1 aria mari nja wa bururi ni 10,000 na maumite mabururi-ini 12.
Register we have around 22.1 million and 10,000 of them are registered in the diaspora in 12 countries that we have a presence and we expect to expand those countries and also have other polling stations within those countries that we have a presence.
Oho akiuga ginyagia na riu muthia-ini wa mweri uyu andu 200,000 nio meyandikithitie. Muoroto ari kwandikithia angi milioni 6.3 othe gukinyeria githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027 makorwo ari milioni 28.4.
We are targeting 6.3 million to be registered before the next general election. And this data is derived from the fact that these are the Kenyans who have IDs. They are more eligible Kenyans. Indeed, they could be even 10 million. But the Kenyans we know from the registration data that have national IDs or passports and they are not registered, they are about 6.3.
Ciegi ngahiha hindi ya ithurano. IEBC ikiuga ni kugathika mikana mirito ya kung'ethanira na aria marabanga kurehe ngahiha. Umwe wa mikana ino ari kuhingiriria muhuraniri giturwa kiu nja.
If what is making you to cause violence is to contest for that seat, we will buy you from contesting for that seat. Those are some of the harsh penalties we are considering, and but we hope that as we go ahead, it will be everybody's concern to tone down. All leaders will have to be requested to do that.
Ciegi gutiga wira kwa murugamiriri munene wa IEBC Marjan Hussein Marjan, muikariri giti wa commissioni ino Erastus Ethekon agiteaniria miario ya ateti akiuga gutiga wira kurarumirire mitaratara yothe ya wandikani.
The contractual relationship between the former CEO and the commission, that is something that is protected by law. Okay? Because none of you knows the terms and conditions of that contract.
Kanitha newe ikiuga ni kunyitirira kamiti ino gutigirira maundu ni matabanio na njira iria yagiriire. Ohe kiorota ateti aria mangienda kuhuthira kigongona na njira itagiriire.
The church's mandate is to be salt, to permeate every space of society and ensure Kenya at over 50 years of independence should not be fighting negative vices, but rather we should be the salt of cohesion in our nation.
Maritio hindi ya mahoya maria matafanitio ni kamiti ino hamwe na ngwataniro ya makanitha ma kiroho guku mucii wa Nairobi. Riri ya Kenya mari mehaririri-ini ma guthie githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2027 ateti ni moritio kwaga kuhunjia ngayukano na makiria makanitha-ini. Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ikiranira kunyitanira na ngwataniro ya makanitha ma kiroho niguo gutigirira ni atabania githurano kiri na uma na waragania guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Ikua o Aboshi.